in my area cold. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got lips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in a medium road. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my
guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Subella Hair. Now, this is my first time ever hearing about and working with Subella, so I'm pretty excited to show you guys what they're offering. They sent over a 13x4 4C Kinky straight unit in 24 inches and 220% density. Yes, let me say that again. 220% density. Yeah, she's thick. This unit also comes with kinky edges, meaning it's going to give that very authentic 4C edge look. They offer this unit in multiple lengths, lace sizes, and density, and I'll make sure to have all of that listed right here for you guys. The cap construction for this unit comes with 4 combs in total, 1 in the back, 1 on each side of the unit, and then 1 in the very center. It also comes with adjustable straps and also a security band that you can adjust and or remove if you choose to do so. According to the website, their circumference for this unit is a 22.5 inch circumference. You know, I feel like it'll fit just fine, but I don't know. I'm just gonna hope, pray, and wish. I think it'll fit just fine, but I'm still just gonna throw that little prayer out there. When it comes to the lace parting space on this unit, I want to say about 2 to 3 inches upward from where the ear tabs are. I want to say you get about 2 inches of width of parting space. So instead of the full on 4, you're getting about 2. So I don't necessarily want to say it's a compact 13x4 because this is much larger than what compact 13x4s usually look like, but it's not a full-on 13x4. I hope I'm making sense when I say that. When I first pulled this unit out of the box, one of the first things that I noticed is how small the knots were. And even though the knots were really small, I did decide to go in and bleach them. So this is how they were looking beforehand, and then this is how they were looking afterwards. And I want to say that I left the bleach on for about 20 to 25 minutes. Another thing I noticed when I pulled this unit out of the box is how thick she was, but also the little crinkles within the hair. You know, whenever you get a kinky straight unit, it's always has those like random little crinkles. I don't know. To me, I don't really like them, so I knew I wanted to like try to get most of them out. So I did go in and shampoo and condition, and then I also blow dried the hair, but then I also decided to straighten the hair as well. With me doing all of that, the hair still looks really full and healthy, but now it just looks like I flat ironed my own natural hair. So with all of that being said, let me go ahead and install this unit, and then of course I'll come back with my final thoughts.
Yeah, the boys are back in town. Yeah, the boys are back in town. She's addicted to the melanin. Golden brown, golden brown. It's funny how the tables turn around. She told me to leave, she's missing me now. Operator, turn up the sound. Mix me down, mix me down.
I told the world cause you can see it in my eyes. The other shotters in the town are praying for the lion's demise. To the roof of the coupe, let's see the sky. They thought I'm sweet and I'm a rapper, let's sky. I told my nigga no ticks, the cuts have got to pay the price. They stab my nigga, are we taking lives? I'm trying to buy you some Chanel's, what's your size, yeah? Told my plug I'll buy the bricks, what's the price, yeah? We took the wave to the masses, we felt the wave of pride. I eat that push through your zip, I swear the rhyme is tight. Yeah, I done some wrongs, I ain't make it right. If we say we killed a nigga, then he took a flight. Arguing with bro, he said why you eat a dyke, yeah? 100k off my Nikes, all off for the white, yeah? She stay around the woody like she need a light, yeah? Looking for me in my town, bro, I'm right here.
Yeah, the boys are back in town. Yeah, the boys are back in town. She's addicted to the melanin. Golden brown, golden brown. It's funny how the tables turn around. She told me to leave, she's missing me now. Operator, turn up the sound. Mix me down, mix me down.
Youngers want my spot and couple olders hate me. Cause I ain't going bull or grey, I'm young and wavy. Broke something I don't wanna ever be. If you don't spend some P, this shit you'll never see. Power in the mind, young black and bust quick when most kids wear handcuffs before cufflinks. 3-piece suit, I look like someone's husband. Don't let the suit fool you, I don't cuff links. Naked white woman, villa with my niggas. Chatting to this chick like how much was your titties? She's staring at my tube and jewelry ain't a biggie. I'm glorious, notorious up in my city. Woolly in the winter cause the streets cold. But I don't roll with sheep, this hair is free goats. Ain't another trio that can test the guys. Them man, they can't even last the test of time.
Yeah, the boys are back in town. Yeah, the boys are back in town. She's addicted to the melanin. Golden brown, golden brown. It's funny how the tables turn around. to leave, she's missing me now. Operator, turn up the sound. Mix me down, mix me down. I know you heard the he say and the she say. Heard her keep the sweets on me like it's cheat day. Niggas in Paris, I'm outcast, flow like 3K. Double R whipping on the Champs-Elysees. Just made another milli. Big business, this ain't nothing silly. Sitting front row, got my brothers with me. And when you see a real nigga, better take a picture. Said I ain't a top boy, man, I beg to differ.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Subella Hair. I have a few Kinky straight units in my collection, and this one, hands down, is my favorite one. To start off, I was able to adjust the adjustable straps either 1 to 2 hooks inwards. Then on top of that, I was able to adjust the security band a little bit tighter to make the unit, well, fit tighter. On most of my units, I typically won't even touch the security band. I'll just keep it at the most loosest setting possible because I do feel like I have a bigger sized head. But for this unit, the fact that I was able to adjust both the security band and the adjustable straps tells me that this unit is big head friendly. Another thing I'm really liking about this unit is the texture of her. Now yes, 9 times out of 10, a Kinky straight unit is really going to do it for me because I have 4B4C hair. But this one, I don't know. This unit was giving when I first pulled it out of the bag, but once I straightened it, it's just like, it just really feels and looks like it's growing out of my scalp. I'm sorry, not sorry. I had every intention on washing and conditioning my own hair and then straightening my own hair rather than going ahead and putting it back in some braids or some twists after I did this wig review. But now I'm probably not going to be doing this. This unit just mimics my own natural hair texture so well to where I'm just like, let me just go ahead and keep my own hair protected. I mean, now granted, this unit is way longer than my natural hair, but let me just pretend that my hair is this long, okay? Now, even though it is the spring and summertime and this unit is 220% density, most of the time I'd be like, no, run away, run far, far, far away from it, especially during this time of the year, and just wear this unit like during the fall and winter times. But for me, no, this unit will be getting worn year round. Despite it being a thicker density, it does still feel breathable and lightweight. Now, would I recommend like being outside all day in this unit? Absolutely not. I would have to either put it up in a bun or a claw clip or something like that. But yo, the density, the thickness of this unit is everything. Next, let's go ahead and get into these edges. Now, I know that the kinky edges isn't for everybody, and that's okay. That's perfectly okay. But for those of us who do like them, I feel like they did a pretty good job with them. I feel like they pulled out and left enough edges to where if you like a dense hairline right out of the bag, then this unit is perfect for you. But if you do want to go in and customize a little bit, I don't know why I couldn't say that. If you did want to go in and customize it a little bit and thin it out, then you also have that option as well. For me, I feel like going in and thinning out the hairline just a little bit helped it make it look even more realistic, especially seeing as how I did go in with a hot comb and I like touched up my roots a bit. I don't know, just going from like semi-straight roots into like really dense kinky edges just didn't look right to me. To me and for me, this unit is perfect, but if I were to go in and do one thing to change it up, it would be to layer it a little bit more. I feel like I really like how the layer is hitting right here, but when I go further down, I don't know, I just feel like I could have layered it a little bit more. As crazy as I am about this unit, I would love to see this unit in a chocolate brown color, like same texture, same density, same kinky edges, but in chocolate brown. Like, could you imagine? But yeah, thank you so much to Subella Hair for sending over this unit for me to review. It is truly appreciated. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.